In this video, I'm going to show you the logging beaver location in Once Human. So as you can see, I have my logging beaver over here. I'm actually going to claim this wood right now, and I'm going to show you how to get it easily and fast. What you want to do is open up your map first, and then over here, go to Dadsville, okay? So teleport over here, simply hold down your F key, and you will teleport to Dadsville, because this logging beaver is actually very close to Dadsville, and I'm going to show you where exactly you can get it easily, okay? And basically, if you didn't know what the logging beaver does, it basically walks around and gathers logs for you so you don't have to farm them anymore. In just a second, there we go. Now I've been teleported to this location, and now we're going to press M again to see the map. And then just around over here is where the beaver likes to spawn, okay? So you want to mark your location by right-clicking over here, and you want to head down there. So I'm going to run down there right now, and I'm going to show you how to get them and where to find them exactly, okay? I'm going to summon my motorcycle so I can sit on it. There we go. I'm going to get driven down there. Now, in just a second over here, we're going to be there. And yeah, in case you haven't yet unlocked this area, this isn't a very very dangerous area. You can get it very easily. Just follow through the missions, and you will be able to do it. Now, once you come to this area, it's just around this area over here. I have the beaver already, so there's no beaver here right now, or somebody else took it at this very moment. However, at this very spot I'm standing up in the sky, there will be a logging beaver, and you'll be able to get it by holding down and pressing your F key, and then you will get it, okay? So go check yourself. If it's not there at the moment when you come there, just keep coming back each and every few minutes, because once you do that, it will spawn eventually, and if nobody takes it before you, you'll be able to get it yourself. So that's it, and good luck on finding your logging beaver, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to this channel and help me out as well.